Change the way you look with this ancient technique and the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I get letters every single day. Robert, is it possible using energy and the law of attraction to change the way I look? Well, without getting into it too deep, I will simply say this. I get letters every single day from people who say, Robert, I knew you 20, 25 years ago, and you look more vibrant and younger today than you did then. And so, yes, it is possible to improve upon your looks, to change the way you look, using the incredible power of the law of attraction. But it's a very specific technique that I'm going to share with you. So pay attention, watch this video 2 or 3 times, take some notes, and then apply it. And by the way, the key to this is patience, because think about it. If you go to the doctor and you have an infection and the doctor prescribes you an antibiotic and you start taking that antibiotic, it's going to take you anywhere from 5 days to 2 weeks to start getting better. If you start taking natural remedies such as vitamins, minerals, and herbs, it might take you 90 days before you start noticing an improvement in the way you feel and function. So with the human body, it's about alchemy, transformation from one stage to the next. And that's what we're going to share in this video. I'm going to give you very specific techniques. But first, I want to remind you to be sure and subscribe to this channel, because this channel is about empowering your life, taking your life to the next level through the law of attraction, through personal empowerment, NLP, energy work, a number of different techniques. Be sure and click the bell icon, because in July 14th, 2019, on that day, we are going to give away another full year of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching to one of our subscribers here on YouTube who has clicked that bell icon. Okay, let's get on with it. Are you ready? So the first thing we want to do is we want to have a clear idea of the areas that we wish to change. Do we wish to be a little bit more taller? Do we wish to lighten our eye color a little bit, our hair? Do we wish to improve upon our complexion, or perhaps even lose a little weight? All of this is possible with the law of attraction and energy vibration. Isn't it funny, high flyers, that oftentimes people who own a dog begin to look like their dog? Isn't it interesting that you can walk into someone's house, and just by walking around the house, you kind of get a feel for what this person looks like? You can look at the furniture. Is it big and overstuffed and heavy? Probably a very big person. Is it light and dainty? Maybe a French provincial style? Probably a thinner, more frail individual. So all I'm trying to say is that our environment, what we are around, and you can see this with couples too. Couples that have been together for several years begin to look alike. It's amazing. Sometimes people think that a couple that has been together for a long time, that they're brothers and sisters, when in fact they're not. So our environment, the energy around us, the thoughts we think, the feelings we feel shape and shift the way we look. Now, it doesn't happen like that. It takes a little bit of time, but it does happen. Okay, I have a theory. I can't prove it. I'm convinced that if I take an individual who lives in a one-room flat in New York City and I move them across the country to Montana and I put them on a big ranch where they have a big house and a lot of property, that within a year or two, they will act different, they will carry themselves differently, but more importantly, they will look different. I believe our environment shapes and shifts how we look, along with our thoughts, our feelings, and our beliefs. What do you really believe about yourself? What is it that you tell yourself about yourself? What you say about yourself to yourself has a huge impact on how you look and on your energy field, because your energy field also affects how you look. In other words, physically you may look almost identical, but your energy field is shifted and you look different to other people. And given a little bit of time, you begin to look different physically as well. So understand our vibration is everything when it comes to looks. Okay, here's the idea that I want you to begin employing if you want to shape and shift how you look. One, I want you to be clear about the changes that you really want to make. Are they just changes based on vanity? Or will they truly help you with your career? Will they truly empower you and give you more confidence? I mean, I think you need to be honest with yourself. But bottom line is, what changes do I want to make? And two, am I willing to be patient? Am I willing to do this exercise every single day in order to bring about those changes? In other words, do I really desire these changes enough to invest the time to do it? Okay, so number one is I'm going to visualize an infinite white light coming down from the top of my head all the way down to my feet and back out to my heart center. Now I'm going to send this white light. I'm going to send it out about, maybe this far from me. Okay? I'm going to send it out. And as I send it out, I'm going to, using my consciousness, using my will, change it into a beautiful pink rose energy. So I'm sending it out to a particular spot about 1.5 to 2 feet from me. So if I was this way, I would be sending it out right about here. And I'm forming a cloud of energy. Now I'm doing all of this with my eyes closed. I'm bringing in white light all the way down to my feet, back up and out, and forming a cloud of pink energy in front of me. It's kind of a pinkish white energy. How does it turn pink? You command it to turn pink. You say, turn pink. You have the ability to literally shape and shift the vibration and energy in your mind and in your body and in your energy field. Okay, so now I have this cloud of white energy, and it's kind of whitish pink in front of me. It's just a cloud. And using my will, I put my hands up about like so, and I visualize the cloud, the energy, the vibration coming out from my heart center, taking place and creating an image of exactly how I want to look, how I desire to be. Not just look physically, but look energetically. It's so important that you understand that it's not just physical, it's energetic as well. So perhaps I have brown eyes. I wish to see my eyes become hazel and then eventually blue. Okay? So I have the eye color there. Maybe I want to lighten up my hair. Maybe I want to grow more hair. Maybe I want to lose more hair. Maybe I want to see myself a little bit more slender. Perhaps I want to see bigger muscle tone on my arms. Whatever it is that you desire to see it clearly. And it's going to get kind of eerie because you are looking at yourself, but you're not looking in a mirror of what is. You are creating a mirror of what will be. Let me repeat that. You are creating a mirror of what will be. So now you have this beautiful mirror of yourself. You see yourself. Oh yeah, I like that. And now using your will, you turn it 180. Now your back is to you. And here is the important part about this. Let's assume that the image is right here. I have visualized it clearly. I've seen it. I felt it. I experienced it. I emotionalized it. And now here I am with my back to myself. Okay? I'm looking at my back now. This is the big part. Breathe in. And out. I literally breathe and step into that energy field, that what we call a thought form. I step into the thought form all at one time. I want to make this really clear so you understand it. Okay? I've brought in the light. I brought it all the way down to my feet and out my heart center. I've changed the color of the light to a pinkish, whitish color. I've formed the light into an image of myself, the image I desire to be, facing me. Now I flip the image around and I step into it and breathe in all at the same time. And now I want to enjoy this because I feel like I have changed. I feel the change in my body. I feel the change in my energy field. Feels good. I am soaring like a beautiful eagle. And then I just close my eyes and have a moment of gratitude. That's it. That's it. Now, do that every morning and every night and continue to do it, and take a picture of yourself before you start. Put it up somewhere, and then 28 days from now, after doing it for 28 days straight, morning and evening, look at that new picture of yourself. You're going to love the way you look. You're going to love the changes that you have made in yourself. And I think it will be motivation for you to continue onward, to keep going. Because remember, the alchemy takes place slowly, but it takes place noticeably. In other words, you will be able to feel it and see it. And so will people around you. It's amazing. It's incredible. Thank you so much. You have a great day. You're looking good because you really deserve it. Bye-bye now.